How to not get kicked for AFK in Roblox. Well, that's what I'm going to show you guys in this video. So let's just get started right away. Now, before we actually get started, we need to download an auto clicker. So what you want to do is simply go to Google and search for OP auto clicker. Now simply just click on the first website. This is their official website. This is how it will look like. So you can also get it actually from the Microsoft Store or on Android or the Chrome Web Store. But I'm simply going to click on this orange download button. This is for Windows. The blue one over here is for Mac OS. So if you're on a Mac, do that. So I'm going to click on the orange download button, and then your download will start shortly. So just simply wait. Don't click on anything. Just wait for it to download. And there we go. It is currently downloading here in the top right corner. Once it is done, we can simply click on open. So I have now opened it up. And I'm simply going to join a game. So I went ahead and joined Pet Simulator. And there are pretty much two methods in order to do this. You just have to try them both, which one works best for you. And what does the auto clicker do really? Well, like it says, once you activate it, it will start clicking automatically until you stop it. Here's the click interval. So it's currently set to 100 milliseconds. So it will click every single 100 milliseconds. You can also put it to 1 second, 1 minute, or an hour, depending on what you want. Now, I'm simply going to put it to 1 second over here, and then this to 0. So now it will click once every second. Now here we can click on start. So we can either click on it with our mouse, or we can press F6 on our keyboard, which is the current hotkey. Now if you do not like F6, you can also go to hotkey settings, press this, press backspace, and then for example, now when I click OK and we click backspace on our keyboard, it will also activate. So we're going to leave it on there. And like I said, there are two methods. So for example, for fighting games, what you can do is simply now activate it and then just leave your mouse on the screen. And then it will do, for example, an attack every single second because I will click once every second. And by that way, the game will know that you're still moving and doing stuff, so you will not get kicked. So that is option number 1. The other option is by going, for example, to the chat or this button over here and simply activate it by clicking backspace. So then, as you can see, every single setting, it will click and do this. And then Roblox will also know that you are still doing something in the game. So like I said, you should try both of these methods, which one works best for you. You just have to remind yourself that when you click on something, the game will realize that you're still in there. So let's say this menu or whatever is not in a game, try something else. So try, for example, clicking on the exclusive shop every single second, for example, and try if that works. So for some games, it might be different, like I said. So just try doing this with an auto clicker and then see what works best for you. So that is pretty much it. That is how to not get kicked for AFK in Roblox.